I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Welcome to Night's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Today in the Night's Kitchen, we're going to be showing you how to prepare steamed fish. What we got here is 4 fish, 4 sea bass. Yeah, nicely cleaned, washed with lemon juice. Okay, you can use lime juice or lime or vinegar, whichever you choose to clean up your fish and cut some of the rawness and just to make sure it's all nice and clean. And also what I've got here today is all-purpose mixed with a bit of fish seasoning. So I've got my fish seasoning here. Okay, got my fish seasoning. I've got my all-purpose. And what I've done is to put the all-purpose on a flat plate along with the fish seasoning, and I mix them in nicely. Okay, and then what I'm going to be showing you now is how to season the fishes. So just a little bit of seasoning inside. As you can see, inside is nicely clean. Okay, always ensure you clean up your fish or whatever you're using, meat. Clean them nicely, get rid of all the unpleasant bits of it, whether it's fat or in this case it's fish. So we clean out the inside, which they call a gut. In Jamaica we say gut. Okay, and then I'm going to place it on a flat tray there. So there you go, guys. Seasoned and ready to go. Yes, guys. So there's the fish all seasoned ready, and I've got the seasoning cut up and ready to go in the pot. So I've got onion, sweet peppers, tomatoes, carrot. I've got okra, and I've got a bit of pumpkin. Okay. Not gonna add those just yet. So what the first thing I'm gonna be doing, and what I've got there is a bit of oil, just to baste the pot, not much, as you can see. Olive oil. That's the oil I'm using, okay? Just to baste the pot. So you can fry up the seasoning so you can get all the flavors from it. Very important, flavor. Want the flavor in there. While that is going, I've got all-purpose and fish seasoning. I'm just going to put that over it. Not going to put all of it, I'm going to leave some. Then you just stir it. Nice flavor coming through the seasoning. And all I've used is just a bit of olive oil. You can use normal cooking oil, whether vegetable or sunflower oil. But I'm using olive oil. Okay. Then I'm going to add the pumpkin in there. Then I'm going to stir that in. Mix that in nicely. As you can see, I haven't put the fish in there yet. Just want it to come to a nicely steamed in. You can get the nice aroma, the smell coming from that. And then from that, I'll give that about, I'm gonna cover that for about a minute. Alright guys, that's been there a minute now going. Give it a nice stir. Again, as you can see, there's nothing sticking, there's no oil in the bottom or anything of the pot. You can see, just use the olive oil just to base it, so these don't burn. So as you can see, I'm separating, I'm making 2 portions. I'm taking 1 portion out. And after I do that, then I'm going to add the fish. And I'm just doing head and tail, one up, head and tail. Yeah. Just wash my hands, as I said, cleanliness. I've touched the raw fish, so I'm washing my hands before I touch anything else. And guys, when you're doing this part, always turn your flame as low as possible. And then I'm going to add this over the top of those. You can see the nice flavor to it already. And what I'll also be adding to that, I will also be adding some butter. Yeah. You don't have to put too much, but the butter give it a nice flavor as well. And then while that's going, my kettle, hot water, boil. Just gonna add some. Just pour it from the side, guys. You don't need to pour it from the top. Don't pour it over the fish. Just from the side. And when you do that, you turn the flame up so it can start steam. As you can see, start already. Guys, this won't take more than about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll be adding my okra, but I'm gonna add it in about 5 to 10 minutes, just before it's finished. I don't want the okra to come out too soft, and then I'll come back and show you the finishing product. Alright guys, so that's been steaming for about 10-15 minutes now. I was gonna add the okra earlier, but I gave it a few minutes longer. So I'm gonna add the okra. As you can see, looking really rich and enticing. You know, this is rich food, people. Rich food, healthy. So I've just add the okra. I'm not putting too much okra because just spread them evenly over the pot. And what I'm going to be doing now is closing that, leave that. You want the okra have a nice crunch to it. Some people like it cooked really soft. I like to have when it have a bit of crunch. So I'm just going to cover that and leave it to steaming for another probably 10 minutes, and then that's it, ready. And I'll show you the finishing product on a plate, nice and presented, and you'll see that in a minute. Thanks. Yes guys, so as you can see, this is the finishing product. This is served with what I'm having this today with. I'm just having this with a bit of salad, which is like a tossed salad with, you got your lettuce, your tomatoes chopped nicely, sweet corn and cucumbers. So that is the finishing product. So guys, just please remember to subscribe, share, and leave a comment and hit the notification button for more videos that's coming. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, Night's Kitchen is a place to be at all times. Cheers.